How to change Snapchat camera ratio. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Snapchat camera ratio. The very first step is to go and open your Snapchat. After that, just go on your setting option and just scroll down and down up until you see the very option of lenses right here. So now what you need to do is clear all lens data and also clear all local lens data as well. And after you do this, again scroll down and also clear all the cache and all the data as well from here. And after that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store, and from here just tap Snapchat and make sure that you have updated the latest version. If you have not, then you can simply update it again by going on Google Play Store, or you can uninstall the Snapchat application from your device and again install it. And now when you open and log into your device, your problem should be solved. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.